How to play 5-card draw poker. The object of 5-card draw is to make the best 5-card poker hand possible after one redraw up to 5 new cards. If one or more players stays until the end, it's the player with the best hand who wins all the chips in the pot. 2 to 7 players can play. What you'll need: one 52-card deck, and betting chips or tokens. Here are the stages of play in a round of 5-card draw: the shuffle and cutting of the deck, the ante, the deal, betting round 1, drawing new cards, betting round 2, and the showdown. The round can end sooner if all but one player folds their cards, leaving one player to steal the pot. Setup and play: shuffling and cutting the cards. The first selected dealer shuffles the cards, and the person to the right can cut the deck to ensure there's no funny business. The ante, or forced bet. Typically, an ante or forced bet of 1 chip is required to play. The deal. Each player is dealt 5 cards, one at a time, all face down. There are no face-up community cards in 5-card draw. Betting rounds. The first betting round. Starting with the player to the left of the dealer, players have the option to bet. The first player can check, meaning they stay in without raising the bet. They do so by tapping the table or saying, "I check." They could also open the betting by adding chips in front of their hand, which other players will have to match if they want to stay in. Or they can fold, in which they lose any chips they've previously put down and withdraw their hand from this round. After this first round of betting is done, the dealer pushes all of the chips into the central pot, drawing new cards. After the first betting rounds, any players remaining in the game can choose to discard any number of their cards. 0 cards, all the way up to all 5 of them. The dealer will exchange the same amount of discarded cards with new cards from the top of the deck. This gives players a chance to improve their hand. This is done in turn, beginning with the player to the dealer's left. In some games, a maximum of 3 cards is the limit, but you do you. Second betting round. After the drawing of cards is complete, another round of betting begins with the last player who made a raise or bet. This round of betting follows the same rules as the first. If more than one player remains after this round, it leads to a showdown. The showdown. Players who are still in the game after the final betting round must now reveal their hands. The player with the highest ranking poker hand wins the pot. Steal the pot. If all but one player folds their hands, the remaining player wins the pot and does not have to reveal their hand. The game resets and the dealer position goes 1 place clockwise. End of game. In 5-card draw, the game typically ends when the players decide to stop playing, which can be based on an agreed upon number of hands, a set time limit, or when a player wins all the chips in a cash game. In tournament settings, the game ends after one player has taken all the chips. Winner takes all. Hand rankings. Winning combinations. Here are all the poker rankings. For a quick 1-minute breakdown on them, feel free to link to the Playing Games poker ranking video, right up here. Variations. There are several common variations of 5-card draw. Each add different rules and elements to the game. Here are just a few. Jacks or better. In this version, a player must have a pair of jacks or better to open betting. If no one has the required hand, the cards are redealt. Deuces wild. In this version, all 2s or deuces are considered wild cards. They can be used to represent any card to complete a hand. Jokers wild. Similar to deuces wild, this variation introduces jokers as wild cards. 1 or 2 jokers could be added to the deck for this. High-low split. The pot is split between the highest and lowest hands, with players declaring whether they are competing for the high hand or the low hand or both. Double draw. Players are allowed 2 drawing rounds instead of just 1 in this version, providing an extra opportunity to improve your hand. Tips. Be mindful of your betting strategy. Don't show desperation by immediately discarding or drawing 4 or more cards. It's often wiser to draw 1 or 2 cards to keep your opponents guessing about the strength of your hand. Pay attention to how many cards other players draw. This can give you clues about the potential strength of their hands. Don't be afraid to fold a bad hand. That way you'll have more chips when you have a really great one. Most importantly, play poker for fun and never bet more money than you're willing to lose. For more poker videos and other great games, subscribe to Playing Games. I got you covered. Thanks for watching. See you next time on Playing Games.